guys, welcome back to our channel SNL. In this video I am sharing carrot tikki recipe which is awesome snack. So let's get started. For this we want carrot, coriander, oil, fried gram powder, salt according to taste, and we need maida up to 3 to 5 tablespoons, and we need 2 tablespoons of chili paste, and we required garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, and also onions. So I am taking mixing bowl and adding 1 cup of carrot, and then add onions which is cut into small pieces, and we need to add 1 bunch of coriander and also chili paste. Mix it gently and then add salt according to your taste. And then add small amount of garam masala like this. And then add chili powder 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which is also called dhania powder. I am adding dhania powder. Mix it well. Everything need to mix uniformly, and then add 3 to 5 spoons of maida, and we need to add gram flour powder, which is called pappulu pudi cheskunna powder. Mix it well without adding water. After observing the consistency of dough, we need to add water required amount only. Then mix it the dough into smooth consistency, which is like this. After preparing this dough, we need to prepare it into balls and then adjust it into tikkis like these, guys. Before doing this, apply oil to your palms, then you get perfect shape. Yeah guys, exactly like this. Tikki shapes is perfect. Then we want to fry these tikkis, so we put on the stove and put on a pan. Then add 2 to 3 spoons of oil into pan. We need to spread the oil uniformly in pan. After heating the pan, we require to place tikkis one by one slowly. We want to fry these tikkis in uniformly. When we fry this in minimum flame, these tikkis are uniformly get fried from inside. After these tikkis turn into golden color, then flip it like this. After turning into golden color on both sides, then it's ready for serving. I am enjoy this with tomato ketchup. You also try this recipe, guys, and share your experience by commenting below. We'll love to read that. Hey guys, it's time to subscribe my channel. Who didn't do this from now? If you like this episode, don't forget to hit on like button and share with your friends and relatives. Sign off from SNL.